How to buy an S&P 500 index fund on Wealthsimple. Looking to invest in the S&P 500 through Wealthsimple? It's a beginner-friendly platform that makes investing super simple. Let me walk you through it. First, open the Wealthsimple app and sign in. If you don't have an account yet, just follow the prompts to create one. It only takes a few minutes. Next, tap the No Invest tab, then choose Add Funds or Browse Investments. In the search bar, type in S&P 500 or a popular ETF like VFV or XUS. Both track the S&P 500. Tap on the fund you want, hit Buy, enter the dollar amount you'd like to invest, and confirm the purchase. And that's it. You've just invested in the S&P 500. Thanks for watching.